Welcome to the end of January. How are your New Year's resolutions coming along? Did you pass Blue Monday, the most sad Monday, the third Monday of the month of January? That's about when most people find out that their gung-ho passion for New Year's resolutions starts to wane. Don't worry, relax, let go, and find each day a new day to wake up to with a new opportunity to create resolutions that really work. Here's my tip for today. Instead of a resolution that's a goal, for example, I will exercise every day, or I am going to go through one box of papers per week, etc. Make your New Year's resolution an intention, a bigger picture, an overlying balance that says, for example, I honor my body and take care of my body each day the best I can. Then you can create the goals underneath that, whether they be exercise, breathing fresh air outside, doing special yoga or meditation, breathing techniques. And you have some flexibility for always finding that it's a win-win situation. Here is an intention that I've made for myself. I enjoy healthy eating and eat my meals all before 7 p.m. I take care of my body each day and find a way to breathe fresh air and enjoy the moment. With these more generalized intentions, you can create your goals. You have an ability to create balance within your week for the times you're more busy, the times you have more space. And remember that consistency is more important than perfection. A little bit every day will make your way in this winter time a much more joyful and sunny experience. Happy New Year again. And remember, February is just around the corner.